Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to come up with a plan before you invest in the stock market. Now coming up with a plan is as simple as you come up with your portfolio for trading in the stock market. Now coming up with a plan is I'm going to show you in this video, so let's get started. Now let's say if you invest in company A and B and you sell the stocks of company A, of this one, sold. So what should be your next step before investing in the stock? Well, your first step before investing in C should be that you do your technical analysis, do your risk management, and do your asset allocation. How much stocks you are buying in this stock, lot size, I would say. I'm going to write risk management, RM, TP, take profits. So all of these things are considered to be your plan and your asset allocation. And when you invest in company C, so you haven't sold this stock, it's hold, because you think that it will give you profits and much more profit than right now. So you have hold this stock, and you also want to, there's another company D that you want to short its position. So all you have to do the same things that you did over here, because before investing in company D you might lose, you might come up with something, see something new in the stock market, and you might take the wrong step in that company. So be careful of doing anything in the stock market. Always do anything with a plan. You should have a clear-cut plan for investing in the stock market. What should be your approach to the stock market after all of these? What will you do after these when you close all of their positions? So what should be you do that? This is something that you should consider before investing in the stock market. So whenever you invest in the stock market, always keep in mind that you should have a well diversified portfolio, and you should also have a plan for investing, because only what is called only diversified portfolio is not enough. You should have a variety of different stocks, a plan that you should be investing in these stocks. After these stocks you should be investing in those. So this type of plan you should have in your, you should add to your trading style to, to boost up your career, because to boost up your trading. Because if you don't have a plan, how would you know that which steps you would take after these? A plan is to consider that you should take these steps, this step 1 2, after step 1 2 3 you should take step 4 5 and 6. This is the role of a plan that plays in mostly in your life, in every aspect of your life. This is a plan keeps you on track. Well, if you come up with a if there's a stock in your plan, if you came up with a plan and there's something outside of it, then you'll reject it and come up and focus on that plan, what you're going to achieve, your goals that should be necessary for you in the stock market. Besides that, in your life, I'm not talking about discuss that issue right now, because that would be a lengthy topic. Now you should focus on the stocks. So those are the things that you have to consider in the stock market. Well, a plan, you must have known what is a plan. Now let's say I've bought stocks in unity food sorry unity food, its symbol is unit. After that, FAUG, 4G foods. After that, now I've invested in I forgot about that. Which one is it? Let me remember. It's, I guess, right now I've invested in PEL, Park Electron Limited, and Asgard 9 Limited, ANL. These are my stocks right now. Yes, after these two I've invested in these stocks. Now these are the stocks that I've invested in up till now, and I've made a decent amount of profit from all of them. Well, these two are the current the running stocks that I hold right now. Now in these stocks, yes, one more I forgot. Hum Network Limited. You guys might not be familiar with these stocks because these are the stocks that are listed on the Pakistan Stock Exchange. So you guys might not be familiar with it, but guess what? You should be familiar now. Let me tell you, when I've let's talk about these two. When I held these stocks, I also kept an eye on these stocks for a small amount of profit, and I made a profit out of it. Now I've sold these stocks because they were going in loss. This stock turned into a downtrend. Now, what my approach here was, my approach in this stock was, sorry, that when this stock reaches to its, like I've recognized those resistance and support level for this stock. Let me talk about this. HUMNL. Like, it was in a downtrend. This was its resistance level, and I've noticed it that this stock was going up, so I've entered into, this was my entry point, and this stock reaches to this level, and this was on my plan that I will keep an eye on this. As it reached this level, I've sold the stock over here, so I've gained this much profit out of it. This was my plan for it. Now I'm not planning on to short this position because I've held another two as well, so I'm not going to be focused on, I'm not going to load my portfolio with ton of stocks. These are enough, 2 3 stocks are enough for me to trade in the stock market. So, and now my what I'm guessing is that as what I assume right now is that this stock will go even further below. So as it go further below, I'm going to invest at its all-time low, and from that level I would enter into the trade and move along with it and wait up till to its all time high, and I'm going to exit as it reaches to its all time high. So I'm going to make a lot of profit from it. So this is my plan. This type of plan you should also have when you're trading in the stock market. So you might have known what is the purpose of a plan right now. So this is the plan of mine. This is my plan right now. I've shared it with you as an example. So consider this as this was an example to show you guys, to explain to you what plan I have kept in mind for trading in the stock market. Now this was my plan. After this, I'm planning on to invest in even further more in in stocks to gain much more profit from it. And now my plan for each of these for that stock is that I should double my investment. This is my plan for that stock. Now my plan for other stock is that I make 10% profit, 20% and 30%. That is enough because the market has already rose from its lowest levels, and it's up at its highest points. So I'm not going to expect double my investment. I am just as I'm a new trader, and the stock market has went far above from me, so I'm going to make smaller amounts of profits, but I'm going to learn trading and gain some experience while trading in the stock market. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.